I need to take the small flower, the flower is like this. Take it out to make it clear for the oil. That's almost done. I need to drain the oil. Or you can put on a paper towel.
Put a towel.
And to drain the oil. Hi everyone. Today I gonna make a fried banana, and this is the banana, Asian banana. In Cambodian we call Chek Namba. You can buy it at the Asian grocery store. And for the flour, I have this kind of flour butter, and they also have the ingredient on the back side that you I don't have to describe. And I have red sesame seed.
Sesame seed.
Yeah, sesame seed. Butter flour that can use for shrimp, for fish, chicken, or banana.
Fried banana. There you go.
And also I need canola oil, any kind of oil that you like, and coconut milk, and sugar, and coconut grind coconut.
Grind coconut?
Grind coconut, yes. And 1 cup of water, and 3/4 cup of the coconut milk. I'm gonna make now. That 1 cup, 1 cup for 12 ounce flour, butter flour, and I need 2 tablespoons of sugar, I need just a little bit like 2 tablespoons of ground coconut, and 1/3 cup of coconut milk, and 1 cup of water. And make it well. And I need about a tablespoon of sesame seed. black sesame. Set to the side. And for the banana, for the banana, you want just cut like this,
Split it in half.
split it half, or you want more thinner than that, or you like to do like this. It's your choice. Like this.
Press it.
Press it, yeah, like that. It's like this. That's your
Press more
choice.
ទៀតឲ្យជំនឿមើល
One more, press one more. For the banana, you can use for the not just only the banana. You can use the one plantain. That tastes good too. If you don't have this kind of banana. Now I ready to cook it. Turn the medium high heat. I need to take the small flower, the flower is like this. Take it out to make it clear for the oil. That's almost done. You need to drain the oil. Or you can put on a paper towel
To the towel.
and to drain the oil. Now ready to serve now. Here that golden brown, that beautiful and taste very delicious.
Moisture inside, crispy outside.
Okay, moisture inside and crispy outside. Look very delicious. Let me taste it.
Do you hear the crunchy?
It tastes so good. It's hot. For me, about this sweet, that's good to me. But if you need more sweet, you can add some more sugar. It's your choice. But on the back of the flour, they have the ingredient to tell you how you put it, how you make it, how much you need for sugar, for water, everything. So that's it for the fried banana. And I hope you enjoy seeing this video. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.